guys, good morning. Introduce myself. My name is Madi Arasantanu, but you can call me Arya. I would like to some information about Bali and environment. Uh, First, politic situation in Indonesia is about the regional election day. Regional head election which were held on December 9, 2020. But what is unique is the many people caused to abstain from voting because many people do not believe in the performance of the government. On the other hand, many also have voted for their voting right at the polling station. Voting at polling station start at 7 a.m. until 1 p.m. For COVID-19 participants, they can ask their voting rights about 12 p.m. They will be accommodated by office or come to the place for care or isolation. To the 2020, the local election is the first documentary party in Indonesia, Democracy Party in Indonesia, to be held in the middle of a pandemic. The election commission of prepare a number of regulations to ensure the pilkada of run safely as we have the chronic case in Indonesia. The European Election Commission has been investigating case of support corruption related to lobster chain export permits that have answered. Minister of Maritime Affairs and Fisheries Edi Prabowo Snack Agustus 2020. Karyoto said that after starting the investigation, the Commission on Corruption immediately collected information to investigate the alleged corruption case. Information gathering is also carried out through information technology and packing. In the end, the coming soon. Corruption succeeded in carrying out an on-hours operation against Edi on Wednesday, November 25, 2020, and look the case to the investigation stage. Next, there are many motorcycles on the streetway. So, in this case, motorcycle answer in Indonesia continue to increase. Considering that motorcycle production production has also increased with interesting variants. Road as prefer motorbikes because their access is faster, horse and immediately overtake if the streets in the city are very congested. However, on the one hand, the number of motorbike is increasing, resulting in increasing traffic congestion. To reduce congestion, we ask JTSKT reduce on the intensity of using motorbike as we can by taking public transportation. Next, Balinese people are dominantly Hindu, while the Balinese are the dominant Hindu region. That is because the Bali region concentrates this region on to be the religion of the ancestors and offers to preserve the Hindu heritage buildings so that they are not neglected. Besides that, many of the kingdoms in Bali are Hindu. Now, how culture and modern life in Bali. Bali is always still a traditional culture and ceremony, but Bali can allow the modern era to development is tourism, such as the firsting tourism in various media. This is an acculturation that is combining the traditional era and the modern era without losing the original culture. Next, Balinese people continue to maintaining their traditional and culture because it is the fair astrology. Therefore, we as Balinese people must preserve culture, so that is not claimed by other countries by studying existing culture. And next, tourism in other parts in Indonesia. The beauty of the island of Bali and local culture area are still strong as an attraction for local and foreign tourists. However, it turned out that not only the beauty of the island of Bali is hard in the era of foreign tourists. Besides Bali, the area many tourist attraction in Indonesia, such as Raja Ampat in Papua, sitting the reptile in Indonesia, name is the Komodo Dragon on the Komodo Island. The Borobudur Temple in Magelang, Central Java.